Hello my dear viewers, welcome to Simplified Civil and Geotechnical Engineering channel. I am Akshay Jaiswal. In this session, I am going to explain what is triaxial test, applications of triaxial test, types of triaxial test, as well as stages of triaxial test. Also, I am going to explain about major and minor principal stresses. If you are watching my channel for first time, then click on subscribe to get the notifications of my upcoming videos. So, let's start today's session. First, we will discuss what is triaxial compressive strength test. A test in which specimen is stressed under condition of axial symmetry. In this test, a cylindrical specimen of soil or rock encased in an impervious membrane, which is subjected to a confining pressure and then loaded axially to failure in compression. इस टेस्ट में सॉइल या रॉक के सिलिंड्रिकल शेप के स्पेसिमन को इम्परवियस मेम्ब्रेन में रखा जाता है और इस पर कन्फाइनिंग प्रेशर लगाया जाता है। इसके बाद स्पेसिमन को कॉम्प्रेशन में फेल होने तक एक्चुअली लोड लगाया जाता है। हियर compressive strength in all directions of a rock or soil sample is determined by using a triaxial sail. इस टेस्ट में रॉक और सॉइल सैंपल की सभी डायरेक्शन से कॉम्प्रेसिव स्ट्रेंथ पता की जाती है। टेस्ट इन विच ड्रेनेज इज प्रिवेंटेड आर कॉल्ड अनड्रेन्ड टेस्ट्स एंड द स्ट्रेंथ्स ऑब्टेन्ड आर अनड्रेन्ड स्ट्रेंथ्स। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस types of triaxial test. There are three main types of triaxial tests. First one is unconsolidated undrained test, which is also called as Q or quick test. Second one is consolidated undrained test, which is also known as S or slow test. Third one is consolidated drained test, which is also called as R test. Now we will see use of triaxial test. Point number 1, like cone penetration testing, triaxial testing is used to measure soil properties. Cone penetration testing की तरह ट्राइएक्सियल टेस्ट भी सॉइल प्रॉपर्टीज मेजर करने के काम आती है। पॉइंट नंबर 2, टिपिकली ट्राइएक्सियल टेस्टिंग इज यूज्ड टू सॉल्व स्टेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम्स बाय डिटरमाइनिंग द शियर स्ट्रेंथ एंड स्टिफनेस ऑफ सॉइल। ट्राइएक्सियल टेस्टिंग के जरिए सॉइल की शियर स्ट्रेंथ और स्टिफनेस का पता लगाया जाता है और ये टेस्ट स्टेबिलिटी प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के काम आती है। Point number 3, triaxial test is used for determination of shear characteristics of all types of soil under different drainage conditions. Triaxial test अलग अलग ड्रेनेज कंडीशंस के साथ सभी प्रकार के सॉइल के shear characteristics पता करने के लिए यूजफुल है। Now we will see how do you do a triaxial test. Triaxial shear testing can be conducted by two steps. Step number 1, the soil sample is prepared and set in the triaxial cell. Then the confining pressure is applied. Step number 2, here deviator stress is applied, which is an additional axial stress. Now let's discuss the stages of triaxial compression test. We know that there are two stages of loading in triaxial compression test. First one is consolidation stage, during which cell pressure is applied. In first stage of the test, the specimen is subjected to an all-around confining pressure that is sigma C, on the sides and at the top and bottom. This stage is known as consolidation stage. This figure shows all around confining pressure on the sides and at the top and bottom. Figure also shows pore pressure gauge and pore fluid valve and pressure gauge. Now we will see shearing stage, during which deviator stress is applied. In the second stage of the test, which is called as shearing stage, an additional axial stress known as the deviator stress sigma D is applied on the top of the specimen. Thus, the total stress in the axial direction at the time of shearing is sigma C plus sigma D. This figure shows shearing stage during which deviator stress is applied. Our next point is major and minor principal stresses. Point number 1. In this test, specimen is stressed under condition of axial symmetry. Point number 2. The vertical sides of specimen are principal planes as there is no shear stresses on the sides. Point number 3. The top and bottom planes are the major principal planes. Point number 4. The confining pressure sigma C is equal to the minor principal stress, which is sigma 3. Point number 5. The total axial stress is equal to the sum of confining pressure, that is sigma C, and the deviator stress sigma D, which is the major principal stress. It is denoted by sigma 1. Point number 6. Because of axial symmetry, the intermediate principal stress sigma 2 is also equal to the confining pressure sigma C. Now we will discuss the main features of triaxial test apparatus. It consists of a circular base that has central pedestal. यहाँ पर एक सर्कुलर बेस होता है जिस पर सेंट्रल पेडेस्टल दिया हुआ है. The pedestal has holes which are used for drainage of specimen in a drained test or for the pore pressure measurement in the undrained test. इस पेडेस्टल में होल्स दिए गए हैं जिसे ड्रेन टेस्ट में ड्रेनेज पर्पस के लिए यूज किया जाता है. Triaxial cell is a cylinder which has tie rods to support the cell. Triaxial cell एक सिलेंडर है जिसमें सेल को सपोर्ट करने के लिए स्टील के टाई रॉड्स दिए गए हैं. An air release valve is also provided at the top, which is kept open when the cell is filled with water. सेल के साथ एक एयर रिलीज वाल्व दिया गया है जिसे सेल को पानी से भरते समय खुला रखा जाता है. द apparatus इज माउंटेड ऑन लोडिंग फ्रेम. इस apparatus को लोडिंग फ्रेम पे फिक्स किया गया है. द डेविएटर स्ट्रेस इज अप्लाइड टू द स्पेसिमन फ्रॉम अ स्ट्रेन कंट्रोल्ड लोडिंग मशीन. स्ट्रेन कंट्रोल्ड लोडिंग मशीन की सहायता से डेविएटर स्ट्रेस अप्लाई किया जाता है. इन दिस टेस्ट पोर प्रेशर चेंजेस एंड द वॉल्यूमेट्रिक चेंजेस कैन बी मेजर्ड डायरेक्टली. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ triaxial test. Point number 1. The advantage of the test over the other test methods is that the specimen drainage can be controlled and pore pressure can be measured directly. इस टेस्ट की फायदेमंद बात यह है कि बाकी टेस्ट की तुलना में यहाँ हम पोर प्रेशर मेजर कर सकते हैं और इस टेस्ट में ड्रेनेज कंट्रोल भी पॉसिबल है. पॉइंट नंबर 2. The test can be easily conducted for all the three types of drainage conditions. Point number 3. The volumetric changes can be measured directly. Point number 4. The stress distribution on failure plane is uniform. Point number 5. The test is suitable for accurate research work. The specimen is free to fail on the weakest plane. And the Mohr circle can be drawn at any stage of shear. Hope you liked the information given in this video. If you are watching my channel for first time, then click on subscribe and share with all your friends. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.